Alright, let's hope this. I've just done one thing really quick, and all that was I was playing around with a way to create a double tap instead of pushing the button, because aiming and then pushing the button over there would have been annoying. So now it's just you just double tap the screen. That should work. And the reload. There is one issue I've noticed with it though, and that is there seems to be a delay on the input. So I might have a look at that real quick. Ignore those errors. We don't care about those. So in the player controller, I think what we're doing is if we tap and tap, double tap. So the moment we tapped, it should set that we tapped and then come up here and fire weapon. And with the fire weapon, it should be the weapon base that is firing. So if we go to weapons, weapon base, it should just say fire weapon. And yeah. I already know what the issue is. The issue is what I was saying the other night. So I think what we will do is just say begin fire. So we'll fire it once and then set the timer. And like that, the delay is gone. Yeah, it feels much more responsive now. So I knew that was going to be an error. I knew that would be an issue. Alright, so I'm going to have to do that for every single weapon now. So I'm not going to do that now though. I am not going to do that now. I'm going to go through them later. Just I know that this is the problem. Okay. Alright, what's next? Let's get some animations going. Let's work on the animations real quick. I just want to do some animations. If I go to characters, player, we're gonna get you. I'm gonna need some things from you. I hate this so much. Okay. We're gonna need a new so if we go content, polygon, city, animations, and if we go to the rifle, in place, we're just gonna go in place. Where is my reloads? You're the one. Create. We want an anime montage. It's gonna be, yeah, here. Reload rifle montage. So we come into here. You're going to be an upper body slot. Let's close and then reopen it. Okay, right there. Alright, notifies. Where's the notifies coming? Add notify. There you are. I couldn't find it. New notify. This is going to be reload weapon. Just whatever weapon we're carrying, reload that. Yeah, okay. So we'll go reload weapon. That should be fine. Where did my this one? Okay, so we're gonna grab you. So since I do have a reference to you, and we're gonna just say nothing because I haven't set up anything. Custom play reload animation. We're gonna get the equipped weapon type, and we will say switch on type, and if we are the rifle, we will get our mesh, get the instance of the animation, and we will montage this bad boy. Yeah, this looks like the one. Gonna go with a rifle, montage to play. Let's just say rifle reload. It should only play on the top, so we shouldn't have to worry about anything, blah blah blah. That should be fine. And also what we're gonna do is we're gonna make another custom event, and the custom event is gonna say reload equipped weapon now, and we're just going to get the equipped weapon and reload weapon, own character, self. Okay, so let's bring this down because we're going to do a little bit more logic here, because we got this, but we want to know a couple more things. First of all, equipped weapon. Equipped weapon. What we're going to do is we are going to say also, I want to make another custom event here, and we're going to say update HUD ammo, and also we're going to make another one custom update HUD ammo, update HUD health. We're going to want max ammo. Now let's just go ammo. Mag size. And magazines. That's all we should need. Okay, so with this bad boy, what do we want? What do we want? We just want health. No, we don't want to do anything. Just say update the HUD. Do we have a HUD? I thought I had one to myself. Widget. Health widget. And it's health bar. Okay. I can't just directly cast to it, can I? Get that. I think that's what I need. And with this, I can cast to W. What is it called? Health bar. Cast to health bar user interface. Maybe instead of casting, I will just get a reference to you at the very beginning. So when we begin play, blah blah blah, go through all this nonsense. And then we will get a reference. Say character health bar, and we may as well update the health to what do we got? Did I not? Okay, we haven't done it yet. Okay, health, max health. So I think max health we'll just set to like 100 by default. It can be 100 by default. Just say health, max health, and that should be fine. But now update health, we're gonna get our health bar and let's just do the same thing. Okay, yep. It's gonna get our character health bar, bam. That should always keep us up to date with what our health looks like. Alright, so next, update the HUD ammo so we can see how much ammo we have. Also, I want to, yeah, we're just going to update the HUD ammo. So we will say, I don't have a reference to the HUD, but my controller would, if I'm not mistaken. Game HUD, yes. Okay, so I'm going to do is get out. Actually, I should have used it. Custom event. Instead of a custom event, let's just make a function. Make it nice and clean. Update ammo on HUD, and we just want ammo. Mags and magazines. Okay, so in this HUD, yep. So game HUD. No, I haven't made anything yet. Weapon HUD, WTTD and HUD here. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so come here. Ammo go here. Excellent. So we've got ammo text. Ammo text. Magazine text. Maybe what I'll do instead of having them here, maybe I should add them to the maybe I should add them to the player's health bar. Actually, I will add them up here, but I think I'll add them over here somewhere. Yeah, we'll continue with what we were gonna do. Maybe in the top. Nah, that doesn't look right. Okay, so position X, let's say 75, 520. Maybe 800. No, 780. Yeah, that'll do. What'd you say? Did it? Maybe if we move you up to like 550. That'll do. Still looks too far over. 580. 580. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, so we're gonna make an update ammo HUD. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have ammo, mags, mag. So we're gonna go ammo text, magazine text. Yes. Sorry, I'm losing my mind a bit. Let's go string, and this will be an append. I'm just gonna add review. That's how many mags we got, and that's how many mags we max out on. So if we go to in the PC, update you, ammo, chuck you straight through, and assuming HUD, player character, PC. Feed you right through. Now, what I want to do is with the equipped weapon, no. Let's just have this say update ammo. And then from, yep, you do you. But we're going to go equipped weapon. Actually, that'll have, yeah, we'll go. Yeah, we'll continue with that plan. And then we would just say weapon. Okay, so weapon base, you're my test. We're going to game files, interfaces, weapon interface. So with the weapon interface, we need one more. Get ammo. Get ammo count. And it's going to have 3 outputs. Ammo, max, mags. When we go back to weapon base, get weapon info, nope, get ammo count. We're gonna say how much ammo do we have? What's the maximum mag size? Maximum amount of mags we can have. And how many mags we actually have. Okay, so now can fire, blah, blah. Okay, so when we shoot, we want to get our owner, which is you, and we are going to say update HUD ammo. Why did I make that if I'm gonna do it this way? Oh my god. Okay, so it's irrelevant and we are doing it this way. I just set it up to do it both ways. Okay, so where's my weapon interface? Get rid of this. No, I'll keep that on the off chance I need it in the future. Okay, so you can keep that. Where's my weapon base? Come to the weapon base, and we're just gonna say ammo, mag count, and max mag count. There we go. That should work. However, I believe we want to do it after we shoot this. I also want to do it on the begin play. And also that was way too far apart. The HUD. Okay, so you're now like 700. $650. Maybe $620. $630. That should be hopefully good. PC. Weapon base. So we're also going to do this on begin play. Excellent. And it failed. So You. Weapon owner. You're not owned by the thingy. Why? Surely you are. Player character. Delay 0.2. See if that changes it. See if that changes your mind. No? I still don't have a reference to you. Alright. Player character. When you spawn in these weapons, spawn weapons, okay. Back to weapon base. You. Yeah, weapon owner. Did they change it? I just want to find your references, bro. Broski. Okay, we're getting it, but at no point are we ever setting it. Okay, that's a problem. It is set up to be set, so I think get weapon info. But because we're pulling it from an array, of course we can't add it onto the actor here, so we'll have to do this a little bit manually. Where's my weapon? Okay, so Q. One more. Give the weapon owner. WTT and player character. There you go. So we'll come back to you, and once you spawn this in, you're gonna say give the weapon its owner, and the weapon's owner is gonna be self. We're going to do that for all of you. Spawn the weapon in, give it an owner. Okay, so now we come to save, weapon base, give weapon own. So when this gets called, we set you. It should get called the moment it gets made, so that should work. No. Okay, so it's still failed. Create. Weapon owner. Why are you failing? I'm literally giving you the owner. spawn in, give weapon owner, blah blah blah. And then we come to the weapon base, give weapon own. You're being set. Why? The owner's right there. Got to be somewhere else, isn't it? Oh yeah. It's spawning here. It's not actually spawning through that yet because it's not set up properly. Son of a bitch. Okay. All right. Sure. Give weapon own. You come here. You come here. Self. Bullshit. Bullshit, you have none. Player character, giving it to I don't believe for a second that this is an access none player controller. Game HUD. Are you the null valid right now? Am I looking for the wrong thing? Player controller. So with the game HUD, when it gets created, you're not being set. Fair enough. Fair enough. There we go. There we go. So we've got 30 bullets, two magazine max apparently, and we have 2 magazines. So if I shoot, reload, Reload does nothing because I'm in the middle of changing how the reload works and I got sidetracked by this nonsense. So let's finish the reloads. Okay, so let's just start with the chain of events. We hit reload, which we haven't set up yet. We're not doing this. Actually, yeah, let's do this. So you tell the weapon, reload your weapon. Ignore that. Come to the weapon base. Reload weapon. What we're gonna do is say we already do this actually. We are already checking like, hey, can we reload? Sure. So that works. So instead of just doing this, custom finish reload, then you do that. But this one up here, you're gonna do a different thing. First we're gonna check that we've got more than no mags at all, and if we do, then we will. Am I pulling this? Okay, let's just say let's just ignore this because we've got this and I know it works now. Reload. Okay, play reload animation. So if we can do this, play reload animation. So now we come here. Let's just say reloading. So we don't want to spam the button. So we will say chuck you there, chuck you there. First of all, are we reloading? The answer is false, then we are. And continue. If it's true, then do nothing. Ignore that. Let's just put a delay. I don't really care if it gets interrupted. It's a simple game. So no, we're not doing that. We're not doing that at all. Okay, so you play that animation, play reload animation, reload equipped weapon now. Get equipped weapon and weapon interface. Okay, so with the reload weapon, let's add one check. Completed reload. Back to weapon base. What we're gonna do is one check. Get rid of that. Okay, so completed reload. If it's true, then reload it. If it's false, begin the process. Okay, back to weapon character. Reload equipment now. Completed reload. And since it gets called from the weapon HUD. Completed reload, keep it false. And now we should play an animation, and it shouldn't reload immediately. We did not. And I know where the issue would be. The error would be you and you. Assault rifle. Because we're hitting this one, and I think it was going melee, which would fail. So, reload. Well, we are not. Also, our health bar is full now, so that's nice. But we still aren't reloading, and I'm not sure why. Play rate, Assault rifle. For the sake of testing, everything comes through here. Every last one of you. Okay, but you didn't call this. Which means to the animation blueprint, because we didn't finish setting you up. What's the name of this function? Reload equipped weapon now. There we go. Okay, it did work, but it didn't update the HUD once it reloaded. So we're going to come back to the weapon, and we're going to say weapon own. Yeah. Okay, so once this is done, we do this again. Test it with some zombies. So now I got my health, got my zombies, got my guns. Works double times. I should really boost the spawn rate. Might take a quick break after this, because now the weapons will be fully functional. So methinks I can take a break for